Every business relies on digital systems to keep things running smoothly, but have you ever wondered how secure your company's digital architecture really is? Imagine your business as a high-tech building. Every door, window, and hallway needs to be protected. It's not just about locking the doors, it's about designing every part of your digital environment to stand firm against threats. That's where enterprise security architecture consulting comes in. They evaluate your current setup, identify weak spots, and help you build stronger defenses, so your valuable data stays protected from cyber threats. It's like having expert architects who design not just for efficiency, but for safety too. With the right consulting, your technology stack becomes more than just powerful, it becomes resilient. Every access point is reinforced, and every system is monitored, making it harder for attackers to find a way in. As businesses grow and evolve, so do the threats they face. Don't wait for a disaster to strike. Invest in a security strategy that protects your business from the ground up, so you can focus on growth with confidence. Regular reviews and updates to your digital architecture are essential. By investing in security architecture consulting, you're not just protecting data, you're safeguarding your reputation and ensuring your business can thrive in a digital world. Your foundation matters. Make it secure. Call Boston BizTech at 781-943-5130 or visit bostonbiztech.com.